cubs basking in the sun. Let's go see what's going on. Ooh, I got some wiggle room here. Hello. What's going on?
Not much.
We got a little bit of room up front.
Figuring them out.
Yeah. Gonna fill them back up?
Of course.
So what are you working on today?
Prepping parts for Sharp's thing. Putting them up, painting them, getting ready to go. So when we assemble it, it's all ready to go.
Nice. What else do we have going on here?
Got a floor pan for a 58 electric vehicle converter.
Yeah, you guys have to check out the site. That's going to be up. Info on that.
Yep, hopefully set the body on it next week or so.
I'm thinking about calling that man, the client, the unburning man. Because he didn't want to burn any fossil fuel. So
Nope.
This will be pretty cool. A little stealth ride going.
Yes.
Let's see what else. God bless you.
Dusty!
A little dusty here, huh?
A little bit.
What are you doing?
Getting prepped for sealer and high build on beautiful 9.4 Clean 6 GT.
Aha, it's going to be a race car.
2.8 liters.
What do you think, Stone? Would you drive it?
I won't fit in it. So.
No, you're too long.
I really didn't.
Yeah, it's like the client's about yay tall, so
Yeah.
we're setting it up for him.
You're pretty tall though.
I'm
So.
6'3".
Yeah.
At least in the morning, I feel like I'm about 4'7" by the end of the day.
Hey, good. You probably could drive with the top off.
Yeah,
I could
that's
probably
true.
do the
Head-
top off, but I can't see. You know, it depends on where the seat's going to be.
We could put a phone book under your butt.
Oh yeah,
That would be
that'll ruin
really
the
good.
experience.
Right.
That would ruin the experience.
Cool factor is gone.
That's gone. I might take a spin in it just around the block, just to see.
Can I go for a ride with you? I know I can't drive them, but
Yeah, I think we can.
all right. That'd be fun.
I think Rodney's out playing on the thing.
No, I just saw Rodney.
okay.
I mean, yeah, he is
He's
playing on
playing
the thing,
parts.
but he was just
Oh, he's
here.
doing pre-assembly.
Yeah.
We don't like that.
No, it's
But-
not fun.
Well, it's always bunches of little tiny things, and you gotta kind of restore bits and pieces, and they take hours to do each. And
yeah.
it's just
Well,
like,
then
it doesn't
there's-
feel that productive. But
It's a little bit like doing a jigsaw puzzle with no box top.
Yes.
yeah,
Right?
it's
Am I
all-
right? Yeah.
You're just going from memory, pretty much.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, and we're going through and doing the final on it. You know, making sure that the holes are in for the windshield.
All the holes are there where they need to be.
Yeah.
Holes where they don't
Double
need to
check
be.
it.
Whole lot of
I've got-
sanding
I've got
going
one
on.
missing up there still.
You lost a hole?
Yeah, it got welded up. So I've had 4 of them now. So then all this got cleaned up. That's where the old window glass was. I patched in with this beautiful rubber stuff, and it's just nasty. It doesn't like to come off to anything. So, and then I'm fighting with the side pods. And some of the shittiest fiberglass I've ever worked with in my life, especially for this price. And
Yeah.
I hate glass. This is some not good stuff. It's thin. It doesn't fit right. We're having to do a lot of massaging to make it work, but it'll look right when we get done.
So we're going to add fiberglass to the list of grapes, right?
Oh, I hate aftermarket fiberglass crap. And it's like we tried to source something else for this. Even talked with a buddy of mine who's a metalsmith, and hey, can you make these for me? And he came back the next day and went, yeah, I can't do this cost effectively.
Right.
So we were stuck using them.
Ugh.
If I had known that, we wouldn't have lost 6 weeks.
Yeah, really.
We thought they were just bad parts.
Right. So you return them to the manufacturer or the vendor, and you're like, these don't match.
Yeah,
They're like,
it's like
yeah,
we sent a
none of them
picture
do.
and it's like, you know, like that. And it's just like,
And what happens when you cut fiberglass?
you've lost all structural integrity.
So that's probably not what you want in a race car.
We can't do it. In fact, we actually had to cut this and open it up by about 2 inches here, and then Rodney welded a new piece of metal this morning to get stuff to match. So it's like we actually have to modify the car to match these things. And it's just, you know, there's a little bit of extra filler in here to get this front to match, and
It's giving you the willies.
Parts shouldn't do this.
Nah.
So I hear you have a trip coming up, Miss.
I do.
Persistent
I'm
Man.
headed out to Portland, Oregon for
Ooh.
like
the annual trip with the
week
kids.
and a half, 2 weeks, yeah, with the kids.
So you
2
should,
weeks?
My grown-up kids.
yeah.
Just about to. Oh no, says the apprentice. He's like, wait, what? Oh, does it strike terror in your heart?
Not really.
No.
This is the first week he's been back here working with me in a while.
All right.
So
6
body
months.
shop's been pretty quiet.
Yeah.
So I was just trying to get some of this other stuff out.
Right. Right.
So-
You've been
All
on
caught up.
assembly, which is.
I've been on assembly, which they don't like me
I was
doing.
gonna say, what happens when Spook's on assembly?
Shit gets thrown everywhere.
Yes, this stuff goes everywhere.
No, we're not talking
The
like
shop
wrenches
explodes.
getting thrown, but
Boxes explode.
pieces, parts.
Boxes explode.
Yeah.
Benches cut with parts that we don't even know where they're from.
Oh. So yeah, keep them back here, right?
Yes.
Kind of a Rodney scheduling thing. So
Yeah.
hey, we've got some room on the schedule. 3 more just went home.
Oh yeah, I noticed that the whole front deck is open.
Oh yeah,
We have room.
we have
Oh,
room.
we packed
So
close.
Not for long though. You've got.
I've got a couple.
You got a couple
prospective-
people,
I got a
maybe.
couple prospective clients. A couple Jeff we're talking to.
Yeah.
I've got 2 guys that I'm kind of talking to right now.
Okay.
If they pan out for something, then we'll
Right.
see. But we're in preliminary with them.
Yeah, we'll see if they want a spot or not. And
So
if not,
if you guys want your spots,
if you want a spot, now's the time.
info at airkooledcustoms.com.
Say it again.
Info at airkooledcustoms.com. All
Yeah.
spelled with K. Also, check out the new swag line.
Oh yeah.
We've got some new stuff coming along. We've got
New items getting added.
new items once a week.
Yep. Right now we got beach towels.
Beach towels just in time for the season. So you have your favorite build car on a towel, full length towel, and just
What was that?
Just not. I'm
That
not.
man really likes towels.
Well, no, I'm not quite sure about it, but I think it's actually that's a good idea.
Yeah.
So that's just me.
Yeah.
So, you know,
Being a curmudgeon.
yeah, a little bit. I can't help it.
Well,
So I'm going to finish this up before I go to lunch.
all right. Say goodbye to the nice people.
Good night, Pikes people.